Welcome back to the channel. Carhelpout here, a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the 2017 Mazda CX-5. This stylish and popular midsize SUV has won over many hearts, but like any vehicle, it has its quirks. If you're considering joining the CX-5 Club or already own one, this video is your comprehensive guide to the common problems reported by owners. We'll cover everything from engine hiccups to electrical gremlins, so buckle up and get ready to become a CX-5 expert. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now, let's pop the hood and talk about some engine-related issues reported by some 2017 CX-5 owners. One relatively common complaint involves a slight hesitation or lag when accelerating from a stop. It's like the engine takes a moment to catch up with your right foot. While not a deal breaker, it's something you'll definitely notice in everyday driving. Another issue that surfaced in some cases is excessive oil consumption. Now, it's normal for engines to burn a little oil over time, but some CX-5 owners have reported needing to top off their oil more frequently than expected. If you notice this, it's definitely worth having a mechanic check it out. There have also been a few isolated reports of premature spark plug wear. This can lead to misfires, rough idling, and reduced fuel efficiency. Thankfully, spark plugs are a relatively inexpensive fix, but it's something to be aware of. And finally, some owners have mentioned a ticking or rattling noise coming from the engine bay. This could be due to a variety of factors, from a loose heat shield to a more serious issue with the timing chain. If you hear any unusual noises, it's always best to err on the side of caution and get it checked out by a professional.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Moving on to the transmission, the 2017 CX-5 comes equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Overall, it's a pretty solid unit, but some owners have reported a few hiccups. One common complaint is a slight hesitation or jerkiness when shifting, especially between first and second gear. It's not a jarring experience, but it can be a bit annoying in stop-and-go traffic. Some owners have described it as a slight rubber banding sensation. Another issue that's popped up occasionally is premature wear of the transmission fluid. This can lead to rough shifting, slipping gears, and even transmission failure in extreme cases. Mazda recommends changing the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, but it's a good idea to check it regularly, especially if you notice any shifting problems. And finally, there have been a handful of reports of complete transmission failure, although this is extremely rare. If your CX-5 experiences a sudden loss of power or refuses to shift gears, it's crucial to pull over immediately and have it towed to a mechanic.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now, let's talk about some electrical issues that have been reported by some 2017 CX-5 owners. One of the most common complaints involves the infotainment system. Some owners have experienced glitches with the touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation system. These issues can range from minor annoyances, like a laggy touchscreen, to more frustrating problems, like the system completely freezing or rebooting unexpectedly. Another electrical gremlin that's popped up in some cases is a problem with the battery draining prematurely. This could be due to a faulty battery, a parasitic drain somewhere in the electrical system, or even a software issue. If you find yourself needing to jumpstart your CX-5 frequently, it's definitely worth having it checked out by a mechanic. There have also been a few isolated reports of problems with the power windows, locks, and mirrors. This could be due to a faulty switch, a wiring issue, or a problem with the body control module. While these issues aren't widespread, they can be a real headache to deal with. And finally, some owners have reported issues with the keyless entry system. This could manifest as the key fob not being recognized by the car, the doors not unlocking or locking properly, or the push button start not working.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now let's talk about the 2017 CX-5's suspension and handling. Overall, it's known for its composed ride and responsive handling, but there are a few quirks that some owners have pointed out. One common observation is that the ride can be a bit firm, especially over rough pavement. It's not jarringly stiff, but you'll definitely feel those bumps and dips in the road. This is especially noticeable if you opt for a CX-5 with larger wheels and lower profile tires. Another issue that's been reported by some owners is premature wear of the suspension components, particularly the struts and shocks. This can lead to a bouncier ride, reduced handling precision, and even clunking or rattling noises when going over bumps. There have also been a few mentions of a slight pull or drift to one side, even when driving on a straight and level road. This could be caused by a number of factors, including improper tire pressure, wheel alignment issues, or even a problem with the suspension geometry. And finally, some owners have reported that the CX-5's steering can feel a bit light or numb, especially at higher speeds. It's not necessarily a safety concern, but it can make the driving experience feel a bit less engaging.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Finally, let's step inside the 2017 CX-5 and talk about some interior and comfort-related issues that have been reported by owners. Overall, the CX-5's interior is well regarded for its quality materials and comfortable seats, but there are a few areas where some owners have expressed some concerns. One common observation is that the rear seats can be a bit cramped for taller passengers, especially in terms of legroom and headroom. If you frequently have adults riding in the back, it's definitely worth taking the CX-5 for a test drive to make sure everyone fits comfortably. Another issue that's been mentioned by some owners is excessive road noise, particularly at highway speeds. This can make long drives a bit fatiguing, especially if you're sensitive to noise. There have also been a few reports of premature wear of the leatherette upholstery, particularly on the driver's seat bolster. This can manifest as cracking, fading, or even tearing of the material. And finally, some owners have reported issues with the climate control system, such as the AC not blowing cold enough or the heater taking a long time to warm up. While these issues aren't widespread, they can definitely impact your comfort level inside the cabin.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So there you have it, a comprehensive look at some of the most common problems reported by 2017 Mazda CX-5 owners. From engine quirks to electrical gremlins, we've covered it all. Keep in mind that these issues are generally isolated cases and don't affect every CX-5 out there. This video is meant to arm you with knowledge, not scare you away from this popular SUV. Remember, every car, regardless of make or model, has the potential to experience issues. The key is to be informed and to address any problems promptly to keep your CX-5 running smoothly for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car reviews and tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've experienced any of these issues with your Mazda CX-5. See you in the next video. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.